and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the February card kit. So the card kit comes out every other month and it always includes enough card bases and envelopes to do 6 cards, but we give you extra card stock and there's lots of paper and embellishment, so you can definitely make more than the 6. Along with your subscription to the card kit, you'll have access to these recipe cards. Our design team creates 6 cards for you with step-by-step directions and a color photograph of the finished card so you can create right along with them. So look for the password on those after the 11th of the month, and Rochelle sends those out to anyone that's subscribing to the card kit. So that's an awesome extra feature. This month we're featuring Cartabella Silly Goose, and it is this gorgeous collection. I just love the colors in this. It has green and yellow and this rusty pink. Just super pretty. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you get in the card kit. As I mentioned in the intro, you receive 6 pre-scored card bases and 6 envelopes to get you started. You're also going to receive 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 white cardstock, and this is really heavy, so it could be cut as card bases as well. And this month, your other cardstock is this 12 by 12 sheet of vellum, which is going to be super fun to work with, especially with this collection. And then you're going to get 2 sheets of Cartabella cardstock that coordinates, and these are double-sided, so you get the yellow and a darker green. And then this one is a light sagey green with that rusty red color on the back. So you'll get 4 different colors of cardstock, the vellum and the white smaller sheets of cardstock. For the pattern paper, you're going to get half a pack of the 6x6 paper pad. This is double-sided. This is Cartabella, but this is the smooth cardstock. This is not the textured cardstock. So we have this adorable little goose print. Again, that rusty red plaid. This one we have some 3x4s and some border strips, so that's perfect for card making. We have a gingham here and a floral. We have the sagey green with like a gray little dot pattern. Another plaid with all of the different colors in this collection. We have a small floral tone-on-tone print, the 2x2 cut aparts. Again, these are perfect for the fronts of cards. We have a pink and white checked with a tulip in the center. So cute. Some little wildflowers. The orange with X's, so that's a tone-on-tone. Another floral with the goose in here. Pink with dots, and then we have some more 3x4s, and then these 2x3s. Again, perfect for cards. That rusty red, this one's a play on stripes, but it has little bows in there. Hopefully that shows up. I know the shadows are getting me today on my camera's lights. Another floral, a green striped, another goose pattern. This is a white with pink polka dot. It actually looks kind of really pale pink. And then we have 2x3 cards. Another play on stripes. And then the cute little goose with the umbrella and the rain boots. And then a small green floral print. So that is your patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get the frames and tags package. So here are all of the ephemera pieces that are in there. Some super cute sayings. Again, perfect for cards, but also get some layouts or a little project done. Be great for a little mini album too, I think. You're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots, and then you're going to get some lawn fawn twine. So I got some of the kind of rusty pinkish red one. So that is all of the embellishments in this month's card kit. One more look at the complete card kit. Be sure to check out all the other available items in the store. Don't forget to download your recipe cards to make the cards along with our design team. Join us over on the Facebook group for some challenges and just lots of inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make with your card kit.